today I'm showing you Flux2, the new image model from Black Forest Labs. It's not a toy, it's built for real production work. Here's what makes Flux2 different. It keeps characters and styles consistent across multiple reference images, up to 10 at once. And secondly, it handles complex text and layouts, including infographics, the UI mockups. Thirdly, it respects brand rules, the colors, the logos, composition, and the lightings. There are no more fighting the model to keep your logo straight. And last but not least, it edits image up to 4 megapixels. It's really high resolution, so we can expect a lot from this edit model. Let's take a look at how the Flux2 compare with Flux1. Flux1 proved that urban model could be serious creative tools, and built upon it, Flux2 take that and aims straight at real workflows. It's sharper, there's more photoreal images, it has much better prompt following, and it's grounded word knowledge and spatial logics. And last but not least, it can output both photorealistic shots and also the design-heavy graphics from the same model. There's a whole Flux2 family depending on what you need. The Flux2 Pro is a top-tier quality. It's only accessible from the API. There is the Flex. You control steps and guidance, so you can trade speed versus the detail and texture accuracy. There is also the Dev version, which has urban weight. It's a 32 billion parameter urban weight checkpoints you can run yourself. I think it's quite a big model, probably need lots of optimizations to be able to run on average hardwares. Lastly, there is a coming soon model, which is called Clean. This is a Apache 2.0 version. It's smaller and more dev-friendly. Let's look forward to that. Let's look at running it locally. As I just mentioned, the Flux2.Dev model is urban weight. They published the weight on Hugging Face models. It's quite big. So the Flux2.Dev model is 64 gigabytes. So to running it locally, if you have a really big GPU, don't need to worry about the out of memory issue. But if you have a smaller GPU, you may look at the Comfy UI examples. So luckily, I think they have already provided the Flux2 example. Make sure that you can fetch the latest update, and you will need to download the models. For me, I did a try using a 3090 GPU, which has 24 gigabytes of VRAM. Unfortunately, it got an auto memory issue. So as you can see here, so doesn't look really good. I will provide some updates once it is able to get it running. Let's be patient. For now, I think that our best shot is to go to the Flux Playground. There are some free credits. So there are some really nice examples, including the prompt. Looks really nice. And if you are looking for some prompt inspirations, please go check out some of my collections. I added them onto my website. Please go check it out. I also created another library for the prompts. So this is based on the Nano Banana from the community. However, I think they can still be used to test some other models, such as the Flux2 model. Overall, I think it can be an exciting model, especially consider how successful the Flux1 is. I can't wait to see what the community can do to this model. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumb up and share it. Please subscribe to the channel for future content. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.